Hello guys, good to have you back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the Mercedes C-Class 2009 model. This is slightly different than my previous videos about the C-Class. This has a different steering wheel. I haven't seen this steering wheel before, so it took me a while to find out how to reset this, and I want to spare you that time to look for it. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel is Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for 300 other more videos on how to reset different model cars. Some tips and tricks. Use the commentary if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, first of all, turn the ignition off. Then turn the ignition on to the first position, and the airbag indicator is on. Then we have to go to the total mileage or the kilometer of the car. Use the R button. There it is. Then we have to enter the secret menu. To enter the secret menu, we have to press the R button and second the plus button, and right away. So R plus, and keep pressing it till the secret menu appears on the dashboard like this. When this comes up, press once this button, then press the R button, then this button again, then R button again, then confirm service with R button again, and it asks me about the oil quality. Is it 229.3? Yes. By if you want to confirm with yes, then press plus. Service done, press plus again, and it asks me another confirmation by pressing the plus button, and as you can see, the full service has completed. That was it. It took me a while. I hope this video helps you and you don't have to look for on how to reset this model car. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.